Forget waiting for a paycheck that feels like it's a month away. What if you could put in the work today and see the money in your account by tonight? I'm not talking about some far-off dream or a complex get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about real, tangible cash for a few hours of your time. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have 7 concrete ways to make that happen. I'm sure you've heard the news. Everyone's chasing passive income, but let's be honest. Building those streams takes time, capital, and a lot of patience. When rent is due or you just need some breathing room, waiting isn't an option. That's where the power of active daily income comes in. It's about immediate results and financial agility. It's about taking control of your cash flow one day at a time. So, if you're ready to swap long-term waiting for same-day earning, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. We're going to cover 7 distinct side hustles that are built for speed, each with platforms that can pay you out the very same day you work. Gig 1. Microtasks. This is the digital equivalent of finding loose change, except it can add up to serious money. Think of massive projects, like training an AI or digitizing an archive, broken down into thousands of tiny manageable tasks that anyone can do from their computer or phone. Platforms like Amazon Mturk, Appen, and Clickworker are the big players here. On Mturk, you'll find human intelligence tasks, or HITs, which can be anything from transcribing a 30-second audio clip to identifying objects in an image. Appen and Clickworker often have slightly more involved projects, like data collection or content moderation. Getting started is simple. You sign up, sometimes take a few qualification tests to prove your skills, and then you can start browsing available jobs. The pay per task might seem small, cents, sometimes $1 or $2, but the key is volume and speed. Many people find a rhythm and can realistically earn between $5 and $15 an hour. The best part? Once your work is approved, many of these platforms allow you to transfer your earnings directly to your bank or a digital wallet, often with same-day availability. It's the perfect gig to do while watching TV or waiting in line. Gig 2. Food and courier delivery. If you prefer to be out and about, this is your ticket to daily pay. The demand for instant delivery is massive, and you can be the one to make it happen. With apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart, you can become a delivery driver using your car, bike, or even a scooter. You simply turn on the app when you're ready to work, accept orders that come in, and get paid for each delivery. The real money here comes from strategy. First, work during peak hours. Lunch from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and dinner from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. are gold mines. Second, focus on tips. Great service, a quick text to the customer with an update, and a friendly demeanor can significantly boost your earnings. And here's the daily pay magic. Most of these apps have an instant cash-out feature. For a small fee, usually around 50 cents to a couple of dollars, you can transfer your earnings, including tips, directly to your debit card at any time. Work the dinner rush, and you can have that money in your account before you go to bed. Just remember to stay safe, especially at night, and always be aware of your surroundings. Gig 3. Freelance quick gigs. Think freelancing takes weeks to land a client and get paid? Think again. The gig economy has a fast lane, and it's perfect for those with marketable digital skills. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, there's a huge market for quick turnaround services. We're talking about things like designing a simple logo, writing 500 words of web copy, editing a short podcast intro, or recording a quick voiceover. The key is to create a templated gig. Don't offer a custom month-long project. Instead, offer a specific, repeatable service you can complete in just a few hours. A great strategy is to offer a 24-hour express delivery as a paid add-on. Clients who are in a hurry will gladly pay extra to get their work done fast. Once you deliver the work and the client approves it, your funds become available. While most platforms have a standard clearing period, you can often pay a small fee to get your money instantly. By packaging your skills into bite-sized, high-speed offers, you turn your talent into a daily cash machine. Gig 4. Tutoring or language practice. If you're knowledgeable in a specific subject or are a native speaker of a language, you can get paid to share what you know, and you don't need a teaching degree to do it. Platforms like Cambly are fantastic for conversational language practice. People from all over the world will pay to simply chat with you in English to improve their fluency. You can log on whenever you have free time and get paid by the minute. For more structured tutoring, sites like Preply allow you to set your own rates for subjects ranging from calculus to guitar. The secret to success here is finding a niche. Instead of just English tutor, be the IELTS exam prep tutor. Instead of math, specialize in middle school algebra. You can offer short 30-minute sessions to attract more students. Many of these platforms offer instant or daily payouts, meaning you can finish a tutoring session and immediately withdraw your earnings. It's a rewarding way to make money while helping someone learn. Gig 5. Sell digital assets. This one is a beautiful blend of active work and passive potential with a fast cash twist. If you have a creative flair, you can create digital products once and sell them over and over. We're talking about things like social media templates for Canva, Lightroom presets for photographers, custom icons, or even stock photos and videos. You create the asset, then upload it to a marketplace like Etsy or Creative Market. While some marketplaces have longer payout schedules, many integrate with services like Stripe or PayPal, which can give you access to your funds almost immediately after a sale is made. The initial work is in creating a high-quality product and setting up your storefront. But once it's live, a sale can come in at any time. A quick tip is to create assets around trending topics or upcoming holidays to catch waves of demand. You could wake up to sales you made overnight and cash them out with your morning coffee. Gig 6. User testing and feedback. Companies are desperate to know if their websites and apps are easy to use, and they will pay you to find out. You get to be a paid critic. Websites like User Testing and Try My UI pay you to record your screen and voice as you complete a set of tasks on a client's website or app. A typical test takes about 15 to 20 minutes and usually pays a flat rate, often around $10. The key is to speak your thoughts clearly and honestly. If a button is confusing, say so. If the layout is brilliant, mention that too. To get tests, you first have to pass short screener questionnaires to make sure you fit the target demographic. Pro tip: answer these screeners honestly and quickly. The more you take, the more likely you are to qualify for a paid test. Payouts are typically made via PayPal, and while some have a short review period, they are incredibly reliable. You can easily knock out a few tests in an evening and see that money hit your account within a few days, with some platforms offering even faster options. Gig 7. Local odd jobs via apps. Let's bring it back to the physical world. There are people in your neighborhood right now who need help with small tasks and are willing to pay for it today. Apps like TaskRabbit, Rover, and Handy connect you with these local opportunities. On TaskRabbit, you can get paid for anything from assembling IKEA furniture and mounting a TV to running errands or doing yard work. Rover is the go-to for pet lovers, offering paid gigs for dog walking and pet sitting. Handy focuses more on cleaning and handyman services. You create a profile, set your skills and your hourly rate, and get notified when jobs pop up in your area. You can choose the jobs that fit your schedule. Many of these tasks are one-offs that can be completed in a single afternoon. Once the job is done and the client confirms it in the app, your payment is processed. Many of these platforms also offer an instant deposit feature, allowing you to get paid for your hard work on the very same day. Now for a quick power move, stacking. Don't just pick one gig, combine two. For example, you can do microtasks on your laptop during the slow periods while you're waiting for a food delivery order to come in. Or, you could schedule a few dog walks with Rover in the morning and then dedicate your afternoon to knocking out some quick freelance design gigs on Fiverr. Think about a weekday-weekend split. Maybe you focus on freelance gigs and user testing during the week, and then hit the road for food delivery during the busy weekend evenings. By stacking gigs, you minimize downtime and maximize your earning potential for every hour you have available. Before you dive in, let's talk toolkit and safety. For any gig that uses your phone, a portable power bank is non-negotiable. For delivery gigs, a simple phone mount for your car or bike is a must. And please don't forget about taxes. Use a simple app to track your mileage and expenses. It will save you a massive headache later. Most importantly, trust your gut. If a delivery location or a local job feels unsafe, cancel it. Your well-being is always the top priority. The theory is over. Your challenge now is to take action. Pick one of these 7 hustles, just one, and set a goal to get your first payout today or tomorrow. The feeling of earning money on your own terms and seeing it hit your account immediately is incredibly empowering. You have the tools, you have the roadmap. Now go get that daily pay. If this guide helped you, give this video a like and subscribe for more no-nonsense ways to boost your income. Let me know in the comments which gig you're going to try first.